subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
Vivo has launched the successor of last year launched Vivo Y52t smartphone as Vivo Y53t. Now talking about the specifications. The Vivo Y53t features a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a waterdrop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter with a 1.8 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes one 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Vivo Y53t comes powered by Mediatek Helio 700 chipset paired with Mali-G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4x RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage with microSD expansion support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box with OriginOS Ocean UI on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging support. Additionally, the company has added Multi-Turbo 6.0 feature for better performance, and it also includes side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 75.6 by 8.15mm, and it weighs around 186 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y52t has been priced in China for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 999 Chinese yuan, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1099 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from January 9th in orange and black color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y53t smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.